In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending friend requests in Battle.net. If you're curious about who might be trying to connect with you on this popular gaming platform, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, let's get started by opening the Battle.net application on your computer. Once you've launched the app, you'll notice on the main screen several different options, such as Games, Shop, and Social, all located at the very top. What you'll need to do is direct your attention to the Social tab. Clicking on Social will bring you to an area dedicated to all your friend interactions, including chat, recent activity, and, most importantly, friend requests. When you're in the Social tab, look towards the left side of the window. Here, you'll find a sidebar that displays different categories like Favorites, Friends, and Friend Requests. Direct your focus to the area named Friend Requests. Clicking on this will reveal all the current pending friend requests you have in Battle.net. Now, let's take a closer look at what's displayed in the Friend Requests section. Here, you will see a list of usernames for people who have sent you friend requests. Each pending request typically gives you the option to accept or decline. If you see someone you recognize or would like to add as a friend, go ahead and click Accept. Conversely, if you've received a request from someone you don't know or prefer not to add, simply choose to decline. It's entirely up to you. Remember, staying organized is key to a great gaming experience. Keeping your friends list updated and tidy can make it easier to connect and play with the people you enjoy. If you have a growing list of requests, dedicating a few moments each session to check your pending friend requests can help maintain that flow. Before we wrap up, let me share a few additional tips to enhance your Battle.net social experience. To manage who can send you friend requests, you can delve a bit deeper into your privacy settings. To access these settings, click on the Battle.net logo at the top left corner of the app, navigate to Settings, and then select the Privacy Communication category. From there, you can customize preferences for who can find and interact with you, tailoring it to suit your comfort level. That concludes our walkthrough on checking pending friend requests on Battle.net. It's a simple process that, once you get the hang of, becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your friend requests effectively. Feel free to share this knowledge with others in your gaming community who might also benefit from keeping a great connection with their friends. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.